Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, we got some ribs. Pulled these out the refrigerator, out the freezer, I should say. We got some lemon pepper. We're going to make lemon pepper ribs. So I got this lemon pepper marinade, right? So I'm going to take this out the bag, put the marinade in the bag, and then vacuum seal it back and let that sit in the refrigerator for about an hour or two. I'm going to run to the store and come back. So guys, when you see this again, it'll be coming out the marinade. All right, guys, it's been a couple of hours now. Let's take this meat out of here. Yeah, it looks totally different, right? That marinade has done something to the meat. That marinade has definitely done something to the meat. Now, I went out and bought a different lemon pepper because there was almost not much left in here. This Mrs. Dash. I'll save this for some chicken or something the other day. So now we're going to use this lemon pepper here. Now I'm thinking I'm going to wipe this off. Not too worried about the backside because I didn't remove the membrane. You know what? Before I do that, let's just do this real quick. Just putting aluminum foil down. Since we're throwing this in the oven, I don't want to sit it down on the pan. So I got the rack, right? And I just want to have easy cleanup. All right, we're gonna go down with some of this lemon pepper. Let's do the backside first. Give this a pat down. All right, now remember how the ribs sit or how they're gonna cook. So we want nice fat ribs. So push them. You see how that's plumping up there? Push them together. Guys, this is going in the oven, 250 for 4 hours. Now that last hour, I might put it on convection and turn it up a little bit, but we'll make that call when we get there. So 250, 4 hours. All right, guys, it's actually 2 days later, right? This was on Sunday I made these ribs for the week, right? Little prep ahead. So let's take a look at what these look like. This is what it looks like, guys. Right? Now this was in the oven for about 5 hours and a half or so. And when I probed it, it was about 198 degrees and it started probing straight through. When I say probing, I took my meat thermometer and just went through. And it went right through. Not quite like butter, but just a little tougher than that. So that's it, guys. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna make a lemon pepper butter sauce to go on top. Or should I say a honey lemon pepper butter sauce to go on top. Hopefully this tastes good. It's the first time I'm making it. So this is going in the oven to heat up. All right, guys, so these are our ingredients, right? We got honey. We got garlic, right? We got garlic, we got a lemon, and we got butter. So the butter's gonna go in the pan. All right, so we need the juice of one lemon. Right, we need the juice of one lemon. I like to just roll it, break up the juices, right? Just cut this one in half. Yeah, guys, just juice this lemon. Okay. Then I'm just going to pull some of the zest off of this lemon, right? Just put that in here too. Easy smeezy. Probably should have did this before, right? I got another lemon. So let's try it this way. Yeah. Just gonna get this off of here and put it in. And guys, if you think I'm doing this backwards, right? There's this one YouTube guy, Chef John. He always does it this way, and he calls everybody silly for looking at doing it this way because you can't see what you're doing, right? Just makes sense. All right, guys, I'm going 6 tablespoons of butter, right? You know what? It's not gonna hurt. I'm gonna just put the whole stick of butter. So 1 whole stick of butter. I'm gonna turn this on. We're just gonna let that melt. All right, guys. While that's melting, so I'm gonna take some lemon pepper. And take what's just I'm taking just a half a teaspoon. Put that in here. And guys, this is a relatively small piece of garlic, right? All right, guys, and now we're going to go in with half a cup of honey, right? Now, I'm not going to measure this out because whatever I put the honey in, it's going to stick to, right? So I'm just going to guesstimate how much is a half a cup. Okay, my ancestors are telling me to stop, so I'm going to say right there's enough. All right, let's give this a spin. Guys, let's give this a taste. It should just taste like honey, butter, and garlic. Ooh, that sounds good, right? I don't think that honey's fully melted yet. Let's just give this a taste. That's exactly what it tastes like. Definitely putting the rest of this lemon juice in. I'm going to let this go another 2 minutes. Then I'm going to turn it down and let it thicken up a little bit. Alright, guys, our ribs are nice and warmed up, right? I'm going to cut some of these off. Then not everybody might not want the sauce, right? Alright, guys, real quick, let's just take a quick look at these ribs. This is what they look like, right? Seem to be a little juicy. Probably could be cooked a little bit more. Let's just bite into this, see what it tastes like. They definitely could be a little warmer. They taste good. I'm putting this back in the oven. Alright, guys, real quick. I went to stir the butter, right? And it had a little film across the top. And that was our fat solids. I'm going to go ahead and remove these. Right? So we got more like of a clarified butter thing going on. And whatever else is left there, I'm just going to leave. Right, I'm going to just remove the rest of this, guys. I just wanted to show you, that, right? That fat solid just formed by itself. Alright, guys, I'm hungry. We're going to eat. Here's the one I bid on. Right, oh yeah, you can see the difference. Once it heated up, the juice is returned. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Guys, this tastes good just by itself. It's hot too. This tastes good just by itself. I mean, this is good. Imagine this, put it on the pellet grill or on the smoker. Guys, with that smoke flavor and this lemon pepper, delicious. Let's just do one thing. We get a little bit of this sauce here, right? See what it tastes like together. I'm just going to do my own little, let's do a little dip. Okay, that's what we look like. Really don't taste it. Do it again. Guys, let me get a plate. Let me get a plate here. Let's go, let's just pour this on top. Now let's see what it tastes like. That solid off of there. Now you see what the garlic did? The garlic turned green on us. Like some kind of chemical effect. Guys, you get the subtle taste of the honey. Something happened with the garlic. It seems almost to taste like candy almost. Guys, this is really good. I can't wait to try this in the summertime when we put it in the smoker, guys. This is good. If you want a rib that's just different, this is it. Guys, you see how the bite through is just nice? Guys, like, subscribe. Like and subscribe, guys. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.